Welcome to another episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, excited to bring you today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we gather the latest business news from the best sources, ensuring you stay updated and engaged. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This podcast features AI-assisted production and voices, but the news we present is genuine, with full stories available on newsramp.com. Today is Wednesday evening, July 23rd, 2025, and we've curated a fantastic selection of health, fitness, and wellness news just for you. So whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, stay tuned and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with our first headline.
Q&A with Hilary Sheinbaum, author and founder of Going Dry. Hilary Sheinbaum, journalist and founder of GoingDry.co, shares her journey to sobriety and the inspiration behind her books. She started her Dry January tradition in 2017 and has since written The Dry Challenge and Going Dry, a workbook. She collaborates with Gießen, impressed by their NA wine offerings. Gießen's new 0% spritz stands out in the NA market for its convenience. She highlights the benefits of choosing lower ABV or NA drinks, including improved sleep, digestion, mood, and fewer calories. With the growing trend of health-conscious consumers, the NA space is expanding rapidly. She encourages everyone to try a dry month for its positive impact on various aspects of life. Personalized physical therapy in Greenville, SC. Limitless Therapy and Wellness is proud to announce the launch of personalized physical therapy services in Greenville, SC. With a focus on individualized treatment plans, the clinic aims to set a new standard for physical therapy in the area. The expert staff at Limitless Therapy and Wellness understands that each patient is unique, driving their commitment to providing customized care. Patients can expect compassionate and supportive treatment, along with specialized programs focused on overall wellness. The clinic's dedication to professional development ensures that patients receive the most effective treatments available. For those seeking quality physical therapy in Greenville, Limitless Therapy and Wellness stands out as a premier choice, offering comprehensive care and lasting results. Learn more at limitlesstherapyandwellness.com. Q&A with Abizar Gaslightwala, President and CEO of Akari Therapeutics. Abizar Gaslightwala, President and CEO of Akari Therapeutics, brings over 25 years of experience in the biotechnology and pharmaceutical industry. Akari is focused on developing oncology therapies with a newly acquired ADC platform that activates a patient's immune system to kill cancer. Their unique payload-targeting RNA splicing aims to provide a longer and more durable treatment effect against cancer. Akari is positioning itself to be the new standard for ADC payloads by leveraging the immuno-oncology properties of their technology. Investors can expect more data on immune effects later in 2025 and the development of a novel ADC molecule targeting solid cancer tumors. Akari is dedicated to advancing cancer treatment outcomes with their innovative ADC technology. Experienced healthcare professional opens physical clinic in Glendale, focused on fall prevention and mobility. FYZICAL Therapy and Balance Centers, the nation's fastest-growing physical therapy franchise, is now open in downtown Glendale at 5957 W Northern Ave, Suite 117. The new center is locally owned and led by Melissa Sarhan, an advanced practice registered nurse with more than 2 decades of experience caring for adults and seniors. FYZICAL is dedicated to enhancing patients' quality of life through a comprehensive, personalized approach. By combining advanced techniques, state-of-the-art technology, and open communication, their physical therapists create tailored treatment plans to address the root causes of pain and dysfunction. Throughout her career, Sarhan saw a critical gap in the industry, a lack of proactive care to prevent falls. Opening her own physical location gave her the opportunity to focus on prevention. Also on the team is Sam Arrow, a doctor of physical therapy with extensive experience. FYZICAL in Glendale marks the next step in the brand's continued expansion. Biomed News Breaks. NanoViricides, American NNVC, highlights NV387's broad antiviral potential and strategic value for pandemic preparedness. NanoViricides, Inc. highlighted the broad-spectrum antiviral potential of its nanomedicine candidate NV387, showing promising data against various viruses. The company plans a Phase 2 trial for Mpox, aiming to be the first approved treatment. With shared development costs, potential orphan drug designations, and eligibility for priority review vouchers, NV387 offers early revenues and strategic value in pandemic preparedness, addressing a multi-billion-dollar market. NanoViricides focuses on advancing NV387 for RSV, COVID-19, influenza, and other viral infections. For more information, visit nanoviricides.com. Biomed news breaks. Lantern Pharma, LTRN, reports first complete response in Phase 1 LP284 trial for aggressive DLBCL, reported the first complete metabolic response in a patient with aggressive DLBCL during its Phase 1 trial of LP284. This patient, who had failed prior treatments, responded after just 2 cycles of LP284, a next-generation acylfulvene developed using Lantern's RAD-R AI platform. This outcome showcases LP284's potential as a paradigm-shifting therapy for refractory lymphomas, supporting accelerated development in the $4 billion global B-cell cancer market. Lantern Pharma is an AI company revolutionizing oncology drug discovery and development with its R platform, advancing drug programs from AI insights to clinical trials in 2 to 3 years and at approximately $2.5 million per program. Investor news breaks. Intelligent Biosolutions, Inc. strengthens FDA 510(k) submission with new security and performance data. Intelligent Biosolutions, Inc., NASDAQ INBS, has strengthened its FDA 510(k) submission with new security and performance data for its intelligent fingerprinting drug screening system. The company conducted rigorous testing, including penetration and electromagnetic compatibility testing, along with sweat quantification using ultra-microbalance technology to validate system resilience and accuracy. With over 6,000 hours of R&D effort and guidance from FDA consultants, INBS plans to submit its updated findings in August, aiming for U.S. market entry in 2025. The system screens for drugs like opiates, cane, methamphetamine, and cannabis, providing results in under 10 minutes, making it a valuable tool for employers in safety-critical industries. For more information, visit the company's newsroom. Duke University men's basketball and football teams learn how to save a life with CPR. Members of the Duke University men's basketball and football teams recently participated in American Heart Association hands-only CPR trainings to learn the correct rate and depth of compressions. Nearly 9 out of 10 people who experience cardiac arrest outside of a hospital die because they do not receive immediate CPR. CPR, especially if performed right away, can double or triple a person's chance of survival. The Duke student-athletes are now part of the American Heart Association's Nation of Lifesavers TM, which aims to make CPR and AED awareness a permanent fixture in all communities. Hands-only CPR is as effective as traditional CPR in the first few minutes of an emergency response. To learn how to save a life in 90 seconds, visit heart.org/hands-only-CPR.
Screening for cardiovascular disease marker in community health centers may reduce risk. Screening for the cardiovascular disease marker LPA in community health centers may reduce the risk of heart disease. LPA is a genetic risk factor for cardiovascular disease, impacting 1 in 5 Americans. The American Heart Association, with support from Novartis Pharmaceuticals Corporation, has launched the LPA Community Health Centers Discovery Project to increase awareness and testing. Participating CHCs have seen success in implementing LPA screening processes. Elevated LPA levels increase the risk of heart-related events. Healthcare professionals play a crucial role in raising awareness about LPA. CHCs interested in joining this initiative can sign up by August 15th at heart.org/LPA discovery.
Precision Immunotherapy, Creative Biolabs Therapeutic FC Engineering Technology. FC engineering has become a crucial tool for enhancing the therapeutic performance of next-generation biologics. Creative Biolabs, a leader in this field, offers a range of FC engineering services aimed at improving immune effector functions, extending serum half-life, and tailoring immune reactions. By focusing on effector function stimulation, complement activation, and downregulation, Creative Biolabs can customize FC variants to meet the specific needs of various indications. Their innovative strategies, such as enhancing NK cell recruitment and tumor cell lysis, show promise in improving the efficacy of antibody therapies. With a focus on precision and personalization, Creative Biolabs is at the forefront of advancing therapeutic FC engineering technology.
Collection Pro emerges as the premier out-of-network claims and surprise billing partner for top U.S. physicians. Collection Pro Services LLC, based in NYC, is the go-to expert for out-of-network claims, No Surprises Act billing, and AR recovery. With cutting-edge strategies and legal support, they help physicians recover millions in underpaid claims. Their full-service OON solutions, in-house legal team with a 92% success rate and 10% contingency fee model set them apart. They cater to specialties like cardiology, anesthesiology, and emergency medicine. Collection Pro offers comprehensive AR recovery, real-time reporting, and covers all administrative fees up front. Their end-to-end execution, transparent fee structure, and cross-state coverage make them a top choice for physicians seeking financial confidence.
Daich Rogers adds Survivor Services Coordinator to firm. Daich plus Rogers has added Nasha Robertson as Survivor Services Coordinator to provide comprehensive support to crime victims pursuing legal action. Robertson will assist clients with access to resources like counseling and safe shelter, explain victim rights, and provide updates on their case progress. Her role aims to reduce re-traumatization during the legal process and ensure survivors are treated with care and respect. With a background in victim advocacy, Robertson's expertise will be crucial in demystifying the legal process for clients. Daich Rogers focuses on helping survivors of violent crime obtain compensation and necessary care for true recovery. Assisted living, what you need to know before you make a decision. Will I be safe? Asks Frances Fuller, best-selling author of Helping Yourself Grow Old. Frances Fuller, best-selling author of Helping Yourself Grow Old, raises an important question for seniors considering assisted living facilities. Will I be safe? Recent events like the Texas flood and Massachusetts fire highlight the limited ability of older adults to respond to danger. Fuller emphasizes the importance of knowing emergency plans in such facilities. Her book provides a personal perspective on aging, addressing issues like grief, loneliness, and physical limitations. Fuller's honest and relatable approach offers valuable insights for readers of all ages, making Helping Yourself Grow Old a unique and impactful resource on the challenges of old age.
Investor news breaks. CNS Pharmaceuticals Inc., CNSP CEO, featured in Virtual Investor Summer Spotlight Conference. CNS Pharmaceuticals Inc., CNSP CEO John Climaco recently participated in the Virtual Investor What's Your Story Summer Spotlight on Demand Conference. Climaco shared his personal journey, leadership vision, and enthusiasm for the company's development programs. The webcast is available on virtualinvestorco.com and the events section of the CNS Pharmaceuticals website. CNS Pharmaceuticals is a clinical-stage pharmaceutical company developing anti-cancer drug candidates for brain and central nervous system cancers, with lead candidate berubicin in development for various serious oncology indications. For more information, visit www.cnspharma.com.
Investor news breaks. Hilary Biotherapeutics Inc., NYS American CLDI, to host investor webinar highlighting Redtail platform and oncology advancements. Hilary Biotherapeutics Inc., a clinical-stage biotech company, is set to host an investor webinar on July 24, 2025 at 4:15 ET. The webinar will feature Hilary's Redtail platform, a viral therapy system targeting metastatic tumors. Preclinical data on lead candidate CLD-401 showed tumor elimination and immune memory activation. The company is moving towards an IND filing and seeking strategic pharma partnerships. A Q&A session will follow the presentation. Hilary Biotherapeutics focuses on immuno-oncology with stem cell-based platforms for cancer treatment. For more information, visit www.calidybio.com.
Unexpected finding potentially opens the door to universal vaccines against cancer. Researchers testing an experimental mRNA vaccine have enhanced immunotherapy's ability to fight tumors in mouse models, potentially leading to universal cancer vaccines. Teams like CNS Pharmaceuticals, Inc. are actively researching this breakthrough. For more information on CNS Pharmaceuticals, Inc., visit the company's newsroom. BioMedWire is a communications platform focusing on biotechnology, biomedical sciences, and life sciences sectors, providing access to various wire solutions, article syndication, press release enhancement, social media distribution, and tailored corporate communication solutions. For SMS alerts from BioMedWire, text BIOTECH to 888-902-4192, U.S. mobile phones only. Visit biomedwire.com for more information and full terms of use and disclaimers. Startups chosen to drive technology-driven improvements in women's heart and brain health. 8 companies have been chosen to participate in the American Heart Association Heart and Brain Health Accelerator, a collaboration between American Heart Association Ventures and the association's Center for Health Technology and Innovation. Through this initiative, the American Heart Association aims to drive innovation in women's heart and brain health with the goal of enhancing patient outcomes, lowering costs, and reducing barriers to care. These companies, including Kelvin Health, Lighthearted AI Health, Mom Diagnostics, Powerful Medical, Reach Neuro, Synaptica Therapeutics, Sync Neuro, and Verivas, have been selected for their potential to positively impact cardiovascular and brain health outcomes. They will receive mentorship, funding, and networking opportunities, and will also compete in the MedTech Innovator Competition Finals in October 2025. Astellas RX Plus sponsors the American Heart Association Heart and Brain Health Accelerator track, and the companies were selected by expert volunteers on an American Heart Association advisory committee.
Investor News breaks at NASDAQ ADTX to host July 22nd live stream on autoimmune therapeutic subsidiary Adimune. Addict Inc., a social innovation platform advancing health solutions, will host a live stream on July 22nd, 2025 at 1 p.m. ET to showcase its autoimmune therapeutic subsidiary, Adimune Inc. The event, led by Jack Marks of Wall Street Reporter, will feature Addict co-founder and CEO Amro Albana, discussing Adimune's innovative approach, upcoming milestones, and opportunities in the growing autoimmune disease market. Addict operates multiple programs focused on immune health and precision health, with plans for additional programs in public health and women's health. The company has agreements in place with Akari Therapeutics, Inc., and Evofem to further its mission of discovering and deploying innovative health solutions. For more information, visit Addict's website.
Investor News breaks: Quantum Biopharma Limited, now NTM, acquires GameStop shares as part of strategic market integrity campaign. Quantum Biopharma Limited, QNTM, has acquired 2,000 shares of GameStop Corp., NYGME, as part of a strategic market integrity campaign. The move aligns with the company's mission to combat market corruption and manipulative trading practices. Quantum Biopharma has taken legal action seeking over $700 million in damages for alleged stock manipulation and continues to build value through initiatives like its Lucid MS program. The company also completed recent debt settlements via Class B share issuance. Quantum Biopharma is dedicated to developing innovative assets for neurodegenerative and metabolic disorders and alcohol misuse disorders. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at the provided link. Biomed News breaks: Heartbeam Inc., NASDAQ BT, wins 2025 Innovation Award for Remote Cardiac Diagnostics. Heartbeam Inc., a medical technology company traded on NASDAQ under the symbol BEAT, has been awarded the Innovation Award in Remote Cardiac Diagnostics by the 2025 Medical Device Network Excellence Awards. This recognition is for their FDA-cleared 3D ECG technology, allowing clinical-grade arrhythmia diagnostics in non-clinical settings with a compact, cable-free device. The synthesized 12-lead ECG software is currently under FDA review for commercialization upon clearance. This award highlights Heartbeam's commitment to remote cardiac care and adds to their list of accolades in the field.
GeoVax to report second quarter 2025 financial results and provide corporate update on July 28, 2025. GeoVax Labs Inc. will report second quarter 2025 financial results on July 28, 2025, followed by a live conference call and webcast at 4:30 p.m. ET to provide a corporate update. Participants can register for the call on the GeoVax website. An archive of the webcast will be available on the website for at least 90 days. GeoVax is a clinical-stage biotechnology company developing vaccines for infectious diseases and therapies for solid tumor cancers. Their lead clinical program includes a next-generation COVID-19 vaccine and a novel oncolytic solid tumor gene-directed therapy. For more information, visit geovax.com. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.